please, today?
I will have a crispy buffalo chicken melt sandwich.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
That'll be 539 first window, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Alright, here at Burger King in St. Charles, I'm going to review the new item they have, one of the new items they have, so let's not waste any time. I'm hungry. Hi, welcome to Jamie's Product Reviews. I'm going to review the new Buffalo Mozzarella Crispy Chicken Burger, at least I think I said it right, but it's got some really gooey cheese on here and some mozzarella sauce. No, it's not. No, mozzarella sauce is red. This is buffalo sauce. And it's got a nice crispy chicken and a very soft bun. So let's not waste your time. I want to eat this while it's still hot. I wonder if I have to take another bite or two for the heat to build. It tastes very good. The chicken is nice and tender. The buffalo sauce is offering a little kick. I love how soft this bun is. Yeah. I bet a lot of people say that. Sauce, it's kind of redundant, isn't it? Yeah, I tasted more cheese that time. So I love how gooey the cheese is. The cheese is wonderful. That's a wonderful burger. I gave it a 5 out of 5. It's just a wonderful burger. It's hot and fresh. Chicken's tender. Cheese is nice and gooey and flavorful. The bun is nice and soft, and what more can I say? See you at the next review.